y'all. I have been on lockdown for like 2 weeks up to this weekend. We all had the COVID and it was kicking my tail. Today I was in court all day long and one thing aggravated the crap out of me, my hair. So y'all know what? It's time for a haircut. So I figured why not go live? I don't see nobody, ain't got to talk to nobody, so I might as well go live and cut my hair off. Y'all know I don't get much time to myself, so I don't really go to the salon and cut and color. So for all you people that be wanting to run to the bathroom and do it, ouch. Now if you got straight hair, I would not suggest cutting it the way I cut mine. I don't know, it probably would. I just do mine this way because I do lots and lots of layers. And I have naturally curly hair, so if I muck it up, you can't really tell me off. Except for until I throw it off straight. At first, I get to look real crazy. And the further you do your ponytail, the more drastic your layers are going to be. So I'm going to put it back just a little bit more. And smooth it out because I don't want it all lumpy-lump. Any of my hairdressing friends, y'all probably don't want to watch because y'all going to be like, oh my gosh, what is that child doing? She's lost her mind. And I really have. Between COVID, all my kids, my grandbabies, and my poor husband who's had it pretty rough, I have lost all my mind. So, might as well go to the salon in your bathroom. Now if I want this sorted on here, I'm gonna cry. I don't know how many inches y'all think I should take off. About 4 or 5. It's gotten pretty long too. I put hair bows in to give me a little bit of guidance. What y'all doing tonight? Ain't this the last one y'all doing Tuesday night? You know what I need to be doing? I need to be in there filling out them daggum information packets that they came home from school with yesterday. Good grief. They ain't had homework in 2 days. I got all this stuff in here to fill out. Just don't know how that's fair. Okay, let's see. What y'all think? Here. What y'all think? How far should we go? This is for a lot of times I hold my breath. Okay. Mimi's cutting her hair, bud. Huh? I'm cutting my hair. Cut your hair? Yeah, so if I start crying, you know why, okay? Dinosaur? Yeah, no, not a dinosaur. I'm using scissors to cut it with. And it's so thick. Did they make dinosaur? Is your hair? Yep. Y'all should see the look on Maverick's face. He said, oh, that's your hair? Yeah. Don't you do this, though, even though you need a haircut. We'll gap yours up next. Y'all. Hold on, I gotta straighten it up here. That's sitting up. Hold on. See? How much it? And I ain't just cutting it, y'all. Y'all know I got me a box of Clairol, too. I'm gonna take care of my grays. My little fall color up in there. Go big or go home, y'all. See, y'all bored too. Y'all watching me. And just so y'all know, I've got all my products nearby. So if you have any questions about any of those, just let me know. And I will demonstrate them. Oh snap, I went too short on the side, y'all. Look how short my shirt off. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh snap. I think I went too short in the back, y'all. Can't turn me now. a really good hair growth shampoo if I wanted to grow back faster. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna play this off like I didn't really just cut that much off my hair, y'all. But I did. Let's see here. Ooh. Y'all look at all that. Ah! Anybody need a wig? Got a wig. Y'all gonna think I lost my mind. Do my clear off. I gotta put my glasses on so I can see, so I don't put the conditioner instead of the color. Oh yeah, see, that was the conditioner. That's why I had to put my glasses on. Y'all, I done got old and can't see. I ain't even 50 yet. I already can't see. I gotta make me a point with the eye doctor to get that situated. Look, that's the school calling. We'll just put them on voicemail. Any of y'all ever color your hair at home? Back in the day, I used to be able to go get mine cut and color. I had this wonderful, wonderful hairdresser. Her name's Charlene Johnson. She always did an amazing job when I could get over there to her. And then about 10 years ago, after I had my hysterectomy surgery, I just ended up cutting it one night at the house and just kept doing it. Every time I think I'm gonna get it cut somewhere else, something comes up, something happens, and then I end up doing this. And then one of these awesome hairdressers will come up in at work, and I'll be like, I need to come see you and get you to fix this or do this, and they'll be like, come see me, but I don't ever have time. I ain't going up in this salon with no children, y'all. Especially not my Maverick, y'all. He runs crazy. Yeah. So, oh, once I get my color on, y'all really gonna get a laugh when y'all see what I put my hair on. But in case y'all didn't notice, y'all see my shine, my collagen shine. I was worried because there was a couple days there I didn't do my Lumi, I didn't do nothing. Like we were doing good to get from the bed and get up and survive. I would just walk outside and make myself walk around the house. Anything to try to be sick. And those of you who's got COVID real bad, my heart goes out to you. My heart goes out to the families. Because that mess don't play. I was petrified. You know, I have connective tissue disease. I honestly think the only thing that really helped me was the fact that I've been on the chloroquine for 3 years. Patrick's still having a harder go of it. Y'all see, I'm just squirting stuff everywhere. Okay, see y'all can look. This is plum black, y'all. Purple. It does always just like a hint of purple for autumn. Where's your papa? I don't know, baby. I think he went outside. Ask Miley. Oh man, I got it on my head. Gotta be careful, because if you ain't careful, it'll be all over your bathroom, and then it starts staining, especially this dark black like this. I ain't gonna aggravate y'all and keep y'all on here the whole time. I'll let it sit, and then I'll rinse it. I'll come back and show it to y'all. Unless it looks too crazy, then I'm gonna have to go get it fixed before I show y'all. I'm surprised ain't nobody said nothing yet. Who's on there? Miss Karen. Hey, Ashley. Y'all see what happens when you get old? You lose your mind. And you just start doing it yourself. Oh, that look, y'all. I didn't even get paid full price. I went to Ollie's and got mine for $2.99. Hey, Macy Lee. Miss Macy Lee's hanging out with me. This is my little sidekick over here, y'all. So now, I got to wrap it up. Now, I don't have a hair cap, so don't y'all know what my hair cap is? My Walmart bag. Honey. You usually got everything from the Walmart. Don't tell me none of y'all ever did this. I know some of y'all have. Might not be as crazy as me. Ain't gonna do it on. But voila. Y'all see how quick I done cut and colored my hair? Lost my whole mind. I don't know if I don't get this spot off my head. I used to freak out about stuff like the little spots, but guess what? If it don't come off, y'all know what's gonna take it off. My little spot. So that's what I'm fixing to do for 2 minutes. And for any of y'all who don't know or haven't seen, I gotta clean all this hair out of my sink first though. Y'all. Just in case those of y'all didn't think it was really that much. It was a lot. I wasn't going to do that much on mine. I was going to do a little bit, and then if I needed more, I was going to do it a plate. Got a little excited, didn't I? Got to clean this day off, y'all. It's been a rough one. I was literally courthouse at 9 a.m. 5 minutes to 5. It's been continued. Y'all, I heard some stories today. Some kids, oh my gosh. Y'all ever go up in the kid court, in the DSS court? Man, it'll break your heart. Now, I'm gonna do my lummy. 2 minutes. You see how it jiggles? Boosting your collagen, y'all. Hey, Meow. Meow just crawled back in here to see what I'm doing too. Surprised Maverick don't hear it, because when he hears it, he thinks he's supposed to be doing it. Because it massages their little face. Oh, look, I got to get all that dye up there. I got to clean it off too. That's why I decided to go ahead and do this, make sure I get all that dye off. So I don't end up at Hudson Brothers tomorrow night with purple ears, purple forehead. For any of y'all that are still using the bristle brushes, stop. You are eating up your face. And it's not hygienic. All those bristle brushes harbor bacteria. Ew. See, ours has microbial silver. And the head completely pops off. And you can do this in the tub, in the shower. I like to do mine in the tub a lot. It's a whole lot easier. I do it out here on the bottom. See, y'all hear him? Y'all hear him hollering in another room? I'm telling y'all. That kid be on another level. Don't he, Meow? He be on another level, don't he? Meow's catching up with him, though. She's walking too, y'all. She looks so stinky cute. Come here. You want to talk to people? Look. Say hey. You say hey? What's Mimi doing? I'm doing that little stuff. Girl, got these backwards. I want to have some of that soft skin like you got. Some of that soft skin like you got. Hey. What they doing? Yeah, they out there in Facebook world. And Mimi over here just trying to look better. Feel like I done went to the spa, so we didn't have to come in here and get us a facial. I did a facial peel this morning before we went to court. And let me show you something. I don't know if y'all can see that light. That light's so funny. Did y'all see all that? Look at all the rough day. Look at all that grime on water. I like it whenever it squishes it up so good. So tonight, I'm going to do a pillow mask before I go to bed. Hold on, man. Okay. So that took 2 minutes, say 3 minutes. I still got 17 minutes before I can rinse my hair. I'll come back to see y'all. After I rinse my hair, I'll come back and I'll show y'all. Then I'm going to do this right here. This is our Pillow Glow mask, y'all, and it smells like cucumbers. It is amazing. And all you do is you just lather it up, just rub it on your face like regular lotion moisturizer, and go to bed in it, and you wake up and your face is like baby soft. It's real soft. I do mine like 3 times a week. I usually do like every other night, unless now if I'm out at the beach or laying out. Oh, come here. No. Oh goodness, tell everybody hey. Say hey, y'all. I was showing them the Lumi spot. Oh, it's okay. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take care of Maverick and rinse my hair, and in 15 minutes I'm gonna show y'all my do. And I pray to God it ain't all mucked up. Bye, y'all.